everyone, today we're not playing any games, but we are showing you how to add contacts to your Spacetalk watch.
That's right. So Koi's recently got a Spacetalk watch, and we're going to show you how to add contacts to the Spacetalk application so you can actually message or call the watch. It allows those contacts to message or call the watch. So first thing you'll need to do is install the Spacetalk application onto a phone. If you haven't already done that, then go and do that. The next thing you'll need to do is add the watch as a device into the application. And again, if you haven't already done that, you will need to do it, and you can check out one of our earlier videos on how to do that as well. It's pretty straightforward. But today we're going to specifically show you how to add contacts so that those contacts can message and call the actual watch itself. So it's pretty straightforward. What you can do is you can go into any one of these three tabs down the bottom, the GPS, the messaging, or the contacts. So I'm currently in the contacts one. So if you go up to the top here and press on the three bars, and then as you can see here, we've got one device added, which is called KoiV. So if you then click on that device, what you need to do is you can scroll down a wee bit here, and you're going to see the chats and calls. And under that, you're going to see watch contacts. So this is where you want to be going. So if you tap on that, you can see there's no contacts added in there at the moment. So go down here to the plus and tap on that. Now add a new contact. And then you can just type in the details of the person that you want to add. So in this case, we're going to add myself. So that's Dad. And then I'm going to put in my mobile number. Now, once you got your mobile number in, what you can do is add a photo if you like. So I'm just going to quickly add a photo. Okay, so you can just resize. Not the best photo in the world, but it'll do for this demonstration purposes. Okay, so there's all the details, and then you just tap on save up here. And now that's added to the watch. So if you go into your watch now, and then if you go to the contacts and tap on that, you'll see that the Dad is there. And now Dad, me, can then message or call KoiV on his phone anytime. So you can do that as well for any other contacts that you want to add. Obviously mom, brother, sister, aunt, uncle, friends, whoever. But you will need to do it, because if someone tries to call that watch and they're not added as a contact in here, they won't be able to call the watch, or the watch won't be able to receive those text messages or those phone calls. So it's essential that you do this. The other thing is, if you do go back out, right, and you go to contacts here and you click on this plus sign down here, this only allows contacts to message each other within the Spacetalk application. It has nothing to do with the actual phone itself. So it's a little bit confusing. So don't add the contacts from within here. That's not something you're really probably going to need to do. So that's it for today's video. We are going to put some more Spacetalk videos up because I think this new application, Spacetalk, is a tad confusing. So as we figure it out, we will do some videos. So we're going to let you guys know how to use it as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like on the video. And if you are new here and you're not subscribed, do consider subscribing. If you're already subscribed, thank you very much for your support. And we'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Oh, KoiV's still here. Bye.
Bye.